Good morning, guys. It is a bright and early morning here in Central Texas, and today I'm headed into downtown Waco for the Wheels of Waco car show. This is a show that I started about 4 months ago. It's been growing. It's been a lot of fun to kind of see it grow from just a few cars to nearly 100 cars at the last show, so hopefully we'll have a good turnout at this one. My friend Brett and I decided to get together and start this. He owns Dichotomy Coffee, which is in downtown Waco. They host the event for us at their parking lot, and they provide coffee for all the people who come along. So hopefully it'll be a good show, and we'll have some cool cars to show you guys, but headed out to Wheels of Waco. Thanks for coming. See you next time. So, Wheels of Waco was a great turnout. We had a lot of great cars here, everything from Model A's to McLarens. It was a really cool event. And I didn't know this was going to happen, but the local news showed up, so I'm on television, which is pretty cool here in Waco. And that segment should be airing tonight, which is really cool. And then the local newspaper showed up, and they're going to be doing a story as well on the event. And had to give them quotes and talk to them. So it was a really cool event. I really enjoyed meeting everybody. We had a great turnout, and I hope to see you guys at the next one. If you're in Central Texas, follow us on the Facebook event page, and we are going to be getting a website up probably the next couple of weeks as well with just more general information on the events and dates, and really looking forward to growing this into an awesome car event here in Waco. See you next time.